he had a very good quote. Ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. This is still applicable today. Astronaut John Glenn was the first American in the Earth orbit. The Cuban Missile Crisis was a direct, dangerous confrontation between the U.S. and the Soviet Union during the Cold War. President Kennedy inspired our senior year with a pledge to put a man on the moon. He also sent the first Green Berets to South Vietnam, setting the stage for a 20-year war. Several of our classmates served in Vietnam during the war. This is a photo of Ralph McRae. The last atmospheric nuclear test occurred in Nevada that year. The sports champions for the year, the Green Bay Packers and the New York Yankees. Some of our famous people of our day were Marilyn Monroe and, of course, Elvis. The whole world watched our First Lady, Jackie Kennedy, a great influencer by her style and grace. No TikTok. Everybody's dream car was a Corvette, which none of us had. Best I could do was a 51 Ford. Our music in '62 included Elvis, Bobby Rydell, the Beatles, and my personal favorite, Annette Funicello. We had TV in '62, mostly black and white, and only 2 channels. And what's hard to imagine. Our shows included Beverly Hillbillies and the Flintstones. The top movies were Lawrence of Arabia and The Longest Day. Tickets 40 cents at the drive-in or the burn-in. Photos from our yearbook, and don't blink, they go really fast, but we were the largest class ever out of LHS, 101. Our twirlers were Linda K. Garner and Rebecca Schwartz, and cheerleaders, Vicki Word and Angel Courtney. Those are senior players. That is a 1961 football game. There's a homecoming court. Boys and girls state participants. Having a great time at prom, which probably looks familiar. We have several pictures of 62 favorites. Some were more mature than others. You make the call after evaluating the 2 pictures. We spend a lot of time at the local lakes. Some of us really like boats, all kinds of them. A lot of water skiing. Some of us just laid around and didn't do much. That was Buddy's Drive-In, where we hung out, kind of like Sonic.
That's from the home. That's from the yearbook.
Scotty McCormick, the Queen.
It's on YouTube, so I didn't know that they uploaded stuff from YouTube. I thought they were just showing.
They took the yearbook.
And the big dance craze that year was the twist. And then the dance in the gymnasium right behind you was my close call on being suspended. It was rumored that the twist was not allowed. But during the dance, the DJ played the twist. My date and I danced, and the teacher confronted us. I very politely said that it was only a rumor. She left to get the principal. The chaperone saw this and invited all of us to her home to continue twisting for the night.
Class of '62.